Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this is just a very random video, but I figured I needed to sort out my makeup brushes to choose which ones are ready to be thrown out because makeup brushes get old, and it's also probably not that sanitary. And since I have a lot of makeup brushes that I don't use that often, so I wanted to sort out which ones I thought were, you know, ready to be thrown out, and put some different ones so I can get a use out of them. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the YouTube channel, to the butterfly family. So let's go. Some brushes I own, I've had for years. These Eco Tools ones were sent by one of my beautiful subscribers, and like one of them broke already, so that sucks. But hey, makeup brushes are not always going to last, every or a very long time. I even had some makeup brushes from Sephora, I believe, that I had received as a gift years ago when I was in high school from a friend. So I had to throw away some of those. So I sorted by the fluffier ones are for like blending, and then I sorted out like flat brushes, eyeliner, brushes for the crease, and those are brushes that I was ready to throw away, and I could have probably thrown away a lot more. So this little makeup brush case, I believe I had bought it on Amazon, and I still had some new brushes in there. I actually put like 2 of those for the giveaway that I'm doing on Instagram. This brush, and I was just showing you guys some of the new brushes that I had on that case. But yeah, comment down below, how often do you guys go through your makeup brushes and throw away makeup brushes? And how often or how long should you keep a makeup brush? I would say at least a year, maybe 2-3 years. I don't know, depending if you take good care of it. So now I was going through my face brushes because I do have a lot of face brushes. So I was just looking at them and seeing like which ones are bronzer, which ones are for blush or powder brushes or to highlight. So once I did that, I went through my other bigger face brushes from that I had saved on my makeup bags. So then between two bags I I believe on the pink one I put all my face brushes, and on the smaller BH Cosmetics one I put my eyeshadow brushes. I hope I'm not confusing you guys, but once I do a makeup collection video for you guys, I will show you guys how the setup I have for my face brushes and eyeshadow brushes and all that. So sorting out my makeup brushes literally probably took me like 20 minutes, but this was actually kind of relaxing. So I was just sorting out my face brushes on that acrylic container. I was trying to just put three on each section. So three blushes or blush um brushes and like bronzer and highlight and all that. So I was putting the face brushes on the BH Cosmetics, but then I saw that it was too small, so I got the pink Victoria's Secret makeup bag. So I put all my face brushes on the pink Victoria's Secret makeup bag because I do have quite a bit of face brushes, and that was another Sephora one. I get attached to my things, guys, and sometimes it hurts to just get rid of anything that you spent money on, and even if it was a gift, it still hurts to throw away anything. So I was putting my like eye brushes on this one, and then on the other one I put the fluffier ones for the eye also, but to blend out your eyeshadow. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple but good video of showing you guys, my makeup brushes. So this is where I ended up putting them. I'm always switching up my organization setup on my vanity. I don't have a big vanity. Hopefully one day I would like to own a bigger vanity of my dreams, but mm, it is expensive. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are still not part of the butterfly family. And If you are not new, well, thank you guys for coming back and always showing me love and support. Don't forget that we are all beautiful in our own way, guys. And don't let anyone tell you or make you feel any less. Bye, guys.